Hello. America's humiliating exit from Afghanistan is no ordinary event. When the history of 21st century is written, the inglorious chapter of US exit from Afghanistan will be a major highlight. This event has parallels in history, such as Russian defeat by Japan in 1894 and later by Afghanistan in 1989. An interesting article written by TCA Srinivas Raghavan is published in Business Standard news portal. The article makes an interesting point. In the first quarter of every century, reboot of world order takes place. New power emerge, old dominance disintegrate. This has been happening since 1600s, unfailingly every century. Let us see what the article says happened in the first quarter since 17th century. 1600 to 1625. The 17th century saw the emergence of England as a world power. England defeated Spain, which was a mighty power until then. Spain went bankrupt and signed a peace treaty with England. The year 1600 also saw founding of the East India Company. We all know how the East India Company changed the world in the next 100 years. The script of English dominance of the world was written in the first quarter of the 17th century. 1700 to 1725. The first quarter of 18th century was start of the Age of Enlightenment. It was during this period the state began to distance itself from the church. The first ever cabinet system of government was formed in England. It was in the first 25 years of 18th century that science began to seriously challenge religion and started replacing it as the logical way of thinking everything. (1800 to 1825). The French Revolution took place in 1789, but its socio-political impact was felt in the first quarter of the 19th century. We all take it for granted that people are sovereign and not a monarch. But this thought emerged during the first 25 years of 1800s. America had already declared independence from Great Britain, but it was in the first quarter of 19th century, in 1812, that America declared that the west of halfway mark of the Atlantic was America's area of influence. 1900 to 1925. Germany and Japan had already started challenging the then superpower, the Great Britain, by undertaking rapid industrialization. There are two events that completely changed the world order, and both occurred in the first 25 years of 20th century. The first was World War I. And the second was the Communist Revolution in Russia. The World War I was the beginning of end of British dominance of the world. Communist Revolution led to a Cold War between America and USSR. The Cold War dominated most part of the rest of the 20th century. Eventually, USSR collapsed and that laid the foundation of yet another world order that would come later in the next century. 2000 to 2025. We are 21 years into the 21st century, and we see another change of world order happening. China has become a superpower in East. Just like Germany and Japan refused to accept Anglo-French rules, China has refused to follow American rules. America is facing another challenge posed by religious fanatics in West Asia. The important question is not what is going to happen in this century, but what is so special about the first 25 years of a century that gives indications of the changes about to happen in the world. For the last 400 years, this has been happening with unfailing consistency. A food for thought. Thank you.